So today I'm going to talk to you about how we're going to increase the bore of this wheel to fit a hot rod Chevy pickup. So up front he has 78.1 millimeter bore, which is what this is currently at. On his rear end he has 89.7. So I have to take this from 78 and go up to 89.7, which is probably right outside that little chamfer right there. So how we figured this out was you take the 89.7 and you subtract 78.1, cut that in half because this is a circle, so I only need to open it up on one side and it happens on the other side. So I don't want to pull 11 millimeters off of this. I want to take 5.7. So once I figure out all the math, I just throw it up on our lathe, which you can watch, and I will be opening this up to the correct 89.7. Oh yeah, we're still a ways off. We're at 82.6 right now. Oh yeah, we'll still got a little ways. Alright, we're at 200. $87.96. We need to be at 89.7. 89.0. All right. Ooh, needs a tiny bit more.